Finally, we've got a great American-made baritone saxophone mouthpiece at a fantastic price. A couple years ago, we started this very ambitious project to develop excellent mouthpieces that are made in the USA, hand-finished, and affordable. We really want beginners and students playing on gear that makes everything easier and more enjoyable. The Better Sax Classic mouthpieces for alto and tenor have already become a favorite choice among band directors and saxophone teachers everywhere. So we're thrilled to announce the release of the Better Sax Classic Baritone mouthpiece. All the classic mouthpieces are made from aerospace-grade injection molded plastic in Elkhart, Indiana. Manufactured to extremely high tolerances for consistency and performance, they are then expertly hand-finished by artisans at the J.J. Babbitt factory alongside professional Meyer and Otto-Link mouthpieces. This piece is perfect for concert band, marching band, but will also feel very much at home in the jazz band and other contemporary musical settings. It's super versatile, easy to play, reed-friendly, and free-blowing. We've also designed the classic Barry mouthpiece to work with ligatures that fit most standard tenor saxophone hard rubber mouthpieces. This means you might already have a ligature that fits, and it opens up a wide array of possible choices. These classic mouthpieces are also included with all Better Sax Classic model saxophones, so when you buy one of these horns, you get a fantastic mouthpiece in the case ready to go on day one. Click the link below to order now and get yourself a great mouthpiece at a great price.